Hey, what are you doing?
I'm actually bored, so I'm spending time looking at this.
How about being little smart and trying out this craft? You wanna see?
Yeah.
Yeah, check this out.
Yay! It's a Dreamcatcher kit!
Yes, let's go.
Let's go! I love dream catchers. Honestly, I have gifted so many people dream catchers because I really believe in dream catchers. They're beautiful, they also catch bad dreams. Like, they complete your bedroom, or your hall or your house. It's just really pretty. But ironically, I don't have a dream catcher, surprisingly, in fact. I've never bought myself a dream catcher, but today we're doing a pretty interesting thing where I'm not gonna buy, but I'm gonna make myself a DIY dream catcher. I've never done this before, so I'm super thrilled. Let's open this. So you can make 3 dream catchers. These are the threads, I think. These are the feathers. ये और एक feather है, तो ये सब decoration के लिए है. And these are the kinds of, like, you can make a small dream catcher. You can make a heart dream catcher and a circle one. Me being me, of course I'm gonna take the heart one. So cute. So first I'm gonna have to wrap this with a thread, right? And then we have to go for the decoration. कितना pretty लग रहा है ये. Now, this was the first step. This was the most difficult one. After this, we have to just use the other threads to create design inside. So let's go. Let's do that. So I'm using 2 colors, red and white, right? And one is gonna be starting from here. One is gonna be starting from here. Wow! See, the second step is also done. It's looking so pretty. I took 2 different kinds of thread. One was red and white and made 2 different kind of stars. And also attached this so that I can tie it in my room. Yay! The design is also ready. Now we are going to add it to our dream catcher. और ये काट देंगे सिर्फ. ये अच्छा लग रहा है. So now I have attached this and now it's looking like a dream catcher. It's so beautiful. I have to just add few more feathers and then it'll be perfect. I have tied this thread to this feather. These are the feathers that I'm going to be adding to my dream catcher. Finally, the dream catcher is ready. I'm not gonna lie, my team has really helped me a lot with the design and they helped me decorate it also. So thank you, team. So, if you are bored, I would definitely suggest you trying this out. This is very creative, and it is also very special because after it's made, you can hang it in your room, and it just feels like this is not bought, this is what I made. But I'm sure you're not bored that much because the ICC World Cup T20 is going on, and there's so many matches, and Team India, we are all supporting them. So, but talking about craft, craft is something where the creative side of me really comes out. And talking about art, the art of cricket, there's so many batters out there who have the art of cricket, art of batting, like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Jadeja, KL Rahul, and so many more. And I really hope that we are supporting them to the fullest so that they win the ICC World Cup T20 2021. So till then, thank you so much for giving so much love to Anushka on Strike. I hope you had fun. Now I'm gonna go and tie this in my room. Till then, bye bye. I've made this feather, now I'm gonna tie it. Big dreams keep you up at night and the next day. Always dream big.